Today, I will be demonstrating how to delete a user from your grouping. First, it is important to note that in order to delete a user, you must have admin user configuration access, or be an admin for short. If you are unsure about whether or not you are an admin, click the permissions support page referenced at the bottom of this article. Before deleting a user, it is important to note the difference between deactivating and deleting. Deleting will remove a user and their information permanently. Their account will not be recoverable, and it will have to be recreated following the original steps provided in the Invite a User section referenced at the bottom of this article. You may also transfer a user's tasks to another user before they are deleted. If you are trying to delete a user, the first thing you need to do is move your mouse over to the left-hand column and move it down under the category titled Settings and click on the application titled Users. Once you've clicked on Users, you will be brought to the Users page. This page lists all of the users within your grouping. The next step is to click on the ellipsis of the corresponding user you wish to delete. So for this example, I'm going to be deleting Tina Allen off of the grouping. So once I've clicked on this, I can see that I have three options: deactivate, view, and delete. I'm going to click delete. Once you've clicked on delete, you'll be brought to the deletion page. This is the last page before the user will be deleted permanently. You can then choose to transfer the user's files to someone else within the grouping. For this example, I am logged in under Bobbert Smith, and I will move Tina's responsibilities to myself. So I've selected myself, Bobbert, and then I'm going to hit submit. Keep in mind that this process can take up to 10 minutes, so you may have to wait around for these files to transfer over. So you can go ahead and hit submit. After you've clicked submit, you'll be brought to the user's page again. At this time, you can now see that Tina has been deleted from the grouping. Moreover, her tasks would have likely been transferred over to the assigned user that you chose. So let's take a look. It looks like he doesn't have anything listed yet. So once the transfer is complete, he should have some updates inside of his tasks, reminders, and potentially his notes, files, and reports. We can now see that Bobbert has new tasks and reminders. This signifies that the transfer of files from Tina is likely complete. This is how you can successfully delete a user from your grouping. Make sure you bear in mind that Tina's account, or any account that has been deleted, will be unrecoverable, and to get them back, you'll have to go through the initial invitation stages referenced at the bottom of this article.